What is the difference between a mode and a scale? Great question. Let's find out. The words mode and scale can be confusing because they are sometimes used interchangeably to describe the same thing. A scale is a collection or a group of notes used to improvise or to write a musical composition. Scales are often represented by playing or displaying the notes one at a time in ascending order, like the C major scale. Scales can consist of as many as 12 pitches, such as the chromatic scale, or they can have as few as 5 pitches, such as the major pentatonic scale. There are nearly countless different types of scales. When musicians talk about modes, they're usually referring to the 7 Greek modes, which is what the ancient Greeks called scales. These specific modes, or scales, each had 7 pitches and consist of 5 whole steps and 2 half steps. Each of the 7 modes has its own unique sound. Let's briefly check these out. The brightest sounding mode is called Lydian. This has the half steps between the 4th and 5th notes and the 7th and the 8th notes. Next we have Aeolian mode. This has its half steps between 3 and 4 and 7 and 8. Sounds like this. Next we have Mixolydian, which has the same half step between 3 and 4 and the half step between 6 and 7. Next we have the Dorian mode, which has its half steps between 2 and 3 and between 6 and 7. Next we have the Aeolian mode. This has half steps between 2 and 3 and between 5 and 6. Sounds like this. Next we have the Phrygian mode, which has its half step between 1 and 2 and between 5 and 6. And finally our darkest mode, the Locrian, which has its half steps between 1 and 2 and 4 and 5. So while there are countless possible types of scales with varying numbers of pitches and all different kinds of interval patterns, the Greek modes are just 7 of the more widely used scales. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so we know that you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials each week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.